All right, today we are talking about two more of our congruence theorems, angle, side angle, and angle, angle, side. While we're at it, we're also going to talk about what it cannot be. It can never be angle, 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 because I could have three triangles with the same angles, but like one be a really tiny triangle and one be a really large triangle, but they would still be all the same angles. Clearly, those would not be congruent. The other one that I cannot be congruent is angle, side, side. And you're like, well, how am I supposed to remember which, acronym that one is? The cuss word. So angle, side, side. Most teachers like to put a filter on it by saying side, side, angle. So SSA cannot be a thing. So SSA is not a thing. But if I spell that backwards, then that's my easy memory as to why it can't be. Okay. So we've already went through our vocab last video. If you don't know it, please go back and watch the first video. Let's look at some of our examples here. So zooming in. Oh, and it wanted to zoom back out on me. We have an angle, and then a side, and then an angle. We have an angle, a side, and an angle. So this one is congruent by angle, side, angle. This one is congruent by angle, side, side. Angle, side, side. So typically, we would say we can't do that one, but I'm actually going to come back to this one during 4-5 video. So be on the lookout for that one. So we're going to put that one on hold. All right. Okay, number 3. There's only 2 pieces of information here. Well, that's not enough information. I need 3. Whoops. Help if I could spell today. Not enough information. I was just going to leave out a word. So same idea. There's some extra ones that you can practice. So if you want to practice that one or that one or this one, feel free. Let's keep cruising. This side says draw the congruency symbol needed to prove whatever statement it says. So our first problem we're going to look at is number 4 here. And it says that we need to prove angle, angle, side. And right now we have an angle and a side. So if I go backwards, I think side, angle. The angle must be right here, right next to the other angle. So again, side and an angle. The other angle has to be over here. So that's angle X must be congruent to angle F. If I had chosen this angle here, I would have then had angle, side, angle, which, yes, that would have proved congruency. It just would not have proved it through angle, angle, side, which is what we want to do. Okay. Let's look at another one. This one, go back to my marker. I want angle, side, angle. So I have an angle, side. Angle's got to be right next to it. So angle, side, angle. So angle Y must be congruent to angle Q. Okay. Feel free to try number 8 on your own as extra practice. All right. And these are some practice with the same. So if we're thinking about this example right here, I know these vertical angles must be congruent. So then I would have angle, side, angle. Let's see. Again, vertical angles must be congruent. So here I would have angle, angle, side. Same idea here. Angle, angle. This is the same side with each other. So angle, angle, side. The The more you do of these, the easier they get. We're going to hold off on that one. This one, the only thing that we do know all angles are congruent, but we do not know if the lengths are congruent, so we cannot prove that one. Okay. And let's see our last page here. Same idea. Angle, side, angle. So angle, side, angle. So these would have to be my angles, which are angles XBC and angle ACB. So it just comes with practice. Make sure to finish out this as extra practice. Try your mastery check. After you have finished hypotenuse leg, then you have an activity to try.